Discover how BidsInfo can help you navigate the UK's procurement maze and unlock growth opportunities. To start, we will explore UK tender benefits. UK tenders offer chances to expand reach, boost revenue, and secure contracts. The UK's procurement framework ensures fair competition for all business sizes. Building on this, let's explore the different tender types. RFPs request detailed project proposals. RFQs focus on pricing. RFIs gather insights. GPNs announce opportunities. Prequalification notices help you prepare. Remember, tenders go beyond government contracts, covering international projects and diverse industries. Next, explore vast UK tender options. Opportunities span aviation, construction, and defense. Healthcare, IT, and agriculture sectors are also included. Environment, hospitality, finance, and manufacturing offer further possibilities. In addition, discover more tenders easily. Platforms like BidsInfo aggregate tenders from government sites, e-procurement portals, newspapers, and funding agencies. BidsInfo also offers detailed information, helping businesses prepare competitive proposals effortlessly. Now, master UK tender success. Submit on time to avoid disqualification. Proposals must include pricing, timelines, and methods. Follow rules and regulations. Use tools like BidsInfo to track opportunities. Explore further benefits in UK tenders. Gain global market exposure and earn lucrative contracts. Find strategic partnerships and build project experience. Enter dynamic sectors like renewable energy. Lead as an innovative business in high-demand areas. As we conclude, mastering UK tenders boosts business opportunities. Thank you for watching.